Game analytics shouldn't mean juggling tools, outdated data, or being locked into dashboards that miss your team's questions. Hintway brings real-time analytics, custom dashboards, fast queries, and lightweight SDKs into your project. We'll connect Hintway to Unreal Engine, track a gameplay event, and turn that data into an AI widget. Start in the Hintway dashboard. Open the project dropdown, create a new project, and name it Unreal Example. Once it's created, choose the Unreal SDK. Open the Hintway GitHub repository, go to Releases, select version 1.0.0, and download the source code as a zip file. Open your Unreal project folder. If there isn't one already, create a plugins folder. Extract the SDK, place the Hintway plugin inside it, then open the Unreal project. When Unreal detects the plugin and asks to build missing modules, confirm the build. Inside Unreal, open BP_first-person player controller. Add the Analytics Manager, then add the init node. Go back to Hintway, open Project Settings, and copy the project URL and tenant ID. Paste them into the init node, set the platform, PC, and compile. Now open BP_first-person character. Add the Analytics Manager, then find the jump input logic and add a track event node. Name the event Jump. Now every time the player jumps, Hintway receives the event. You can also send extra properties for deeper analytics and adjust editor analytics or debugging in plugin settings. Compile the blueprint, press play, and jump 3 times. Stop the game, start it again, and jump 2 more times to create a second session. Return to the Hintway dashboard and refresh. The dashboard populates with users, sessions, duration, platform, version, and event data. Click Add Widget, open the AI tab and ask, "Show me the number of jumps of a user per session." Apply the query, then ask, "I prefer a bar chart." Apply the update, preview the chart, and click Create Widget. Hintway is now connected to your Unreal project, tracking gameplay events and turning them into real-time dashboards you can customize with SQL or AI. To create dashboards, track live data, and bring AI-powered analytics into your project, visit hintway.app.